Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the phone and open settings, no apps needed. Once done, scroll or use the top search bar to find about phone. The exact label varies by brand. Make sure to use the global settings page, not a manufacturer shortcut. If you see system first, tap it. If you see about device directly, you're in the right place. These steps get you to the single panel that contains the Android version detail. You now navigate inside about phone. Once inside, scan for Android version. Sometimes it's nested under software information or system, right arrow advanced. Tap the Android version line to reveal more detail like security patch level and build number. Make sure to read the number and any accompanying name. That's the exact OS release running on your device. If you need to record it, take a screenshot or write it down before leaving. You finish by confirming and saving the info. Take a screenshot or jot down the Android version and security patch date. Once done, exit settings. If the Android version line is missing, make sure you reached about phone and, if necessary, tap software information, reboot first if screens act oddly. If problems persist, update the settings app or check the manufacturer's support. That usually resolves hidden or renamed menu items and gets you the version.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.